back. So today we are going to discuss TCS NQT 21st March 2026 coding question. So the question is you will be given a purchase amount based on the amount you have. Okay, now a discount is applied as follows. Okay, like if the amount is like 1000 for example, then 5% of discount is applied. If the amount is greater than 1000 and less than 5000, then 10% of discount is applied. If the amount is like greater than 5000, then 15% of discount is applied. Okay, so our task is to calculate the final payable amount after applying the discount. Okay, so like a single integer amount representing the total purchase value, this is an input. Okay, and the output is a print final amount after rounding it to two decimal places. So if you know the two decimal place, how to round a value to two decimal places, it will be easy. Okay, so let's move towards the test case. Like the test case is 800. Okay, the output is 760. How means like amount is less than 1000, right? Then 5% of discount is applied, and 5% of 800 is like 440. So this 40, if we minus from the actual amount, we will get 760, right? So let's move towards the coding. So yes, before moving towards the coding, please subscribe to our channel Gen Z Tech for latest company hiring updates, and please subscribe. Let's move towards the coding part. So this is the code. So in the TCS NQT compiler, please like name a class with main. Okay, with this name main. Okay, main word. Okay, don't name it with else words like TCS or NQT kind of like that. Okay, name it with name only. Sorry, main. Okay. Yes, the question is, the answer is like we have taken the scanner class and we have initialized a variable called discount. We have written the if else statement. So it's like if the amount is like less than 1000, then discount is like 5%, like 0.05 value stored in the discount variable, and it will not execute this statement, right? Then it will come over here and the final amount is calculated, right? If the amount is like less than 5000 and if it is greater than 1000, then this statement is going to execute, right? And the in the discount variable, then 0.10, that is 10% value, right? That will be stored 0.10. And if it is like greater than 5000, then the discount value will be like greater than like 15%, right? 0.15. Then the actual amount will be like as there in the user as taken from the user, and we will be calculating that particular percentage of the amount. Like if it is 800, 800 of 5% is like 40, right? That will be calculated over here, and if we minus it from the actual value, then the final value will be stored in the final amount, right? And this is the like syntax, or you can tell the pattern to take the to round the values to two decimal values, right? Two decimal things, right? So if I execute this program, I have been executed console. Okay, so if I write 800, right? So see, we got the correct output as 760. So we got the two decimal places, two decimal. We have also rounded the value to two decimal places, right? So I hope you understood this coding question. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.